In this lesson, we are going to explore some new audio tools in CapCut that help you make your voice sound clearer and more professional. But before we continue, it's important to mention that these tools are only available in the CapCut Pro version. So if you are using the free version, you can't use them in your workspace. You might ask then why we are learning them. The version is simple. I want you to be aware of the unique audio features CapCut offers. By understanding what these tools can do, you'll know how powerful CapCut can be when it comes to improving your audio quality. So later, if you decide that you need more professional audio control, you'll already be familiar with these features, and you can choose whether upgrading to the paid version is right for you. Let's continue the lesson. I've already imported my narration folder, so let's double click on that to open it up. At any time you want to go back, you need to click on all to see all the folders and media that you have imported. So let's double click to open it up again. And I like to bring one of these. Let's import the first one. As soon as I import it in the timeline, we are able to access the audio basics. So all the settings belongs to this audio. The first thing that we want to talk about is the normalize audio. Normalize loudness makes the volume of all your clips consistent. If one clip is too quiet, it increases the level. If another clip is too loud, it lowers it. Let's bring in the second narration that I have here and click on this three dot again, set it to tall to see the audio waves better. Trim it a little bit. And now, let's listen to those. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. CapCut makes video editing simple and powerful. Edit, enhance, and impress all in one place. I recorded this one separately from this one. So this one I think is a little bit quieter than this one. This is much more louder. Let's select those. What the normalize is do, as I mentioned, if one clip is too quiet, it increases the level. And if another clip is too loud, it lowers it up. So let's select both of those, and we just need to click on the normalize loudness. You notice very subtle changes on both of these. Now let's play that again. CapCut makes video editing simple and powerful. Edit, enhance, and impress all in one place. I recorded both of these voice samples in the same location, so you might not hear a very dramatic difference between them. However, normalize loudness is working in the background to balance the levels. Its goal is to take louder and quieter parts of the audio to bring them closer to the same volume. So even if the result isn't extremely noticeable here, this tool becomes very useful when you're working with clips recorded at different times in different places or with different microphones. And you have access to the normalize audio from this menu as well. The next tool is the Enhance Voice. Enhance Voice is designed to make your speech clearer. It boosts the importance frequencies of your voice and reduce echo. Let's turn it on and see how it will benefit our audio or narration audio. So let's play it without it once. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. Okay, editing doesn't have to be complicated. And now let's enable it. By default, it is set to 75, so let's play it. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. It improved our narration a lot. To make it a little bit clearer to hear, I like to play those one by one. So this one is going to be without, the first one without, and then with. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. Wow, this one sounds really good. If the intensity is set to low, you'll get only a similar improvement. And if the intensity is set to high, your voice may sound unnatural or overproduced. So I like to set it to 75. CapCut describes this tool as a way to improve audio quality by reducing echo, removing background distractions, and enhancing clarity. If you have multiple audio clips, you just need to select them all and just enable the audio enhancement. Choose a good intensity, wait until the enhancement percentage complete to 100, and then you're ready to go. The next tool that I like to mention is the reduce noise. Later we will talk about the audio translator in a separate lesson. Reduce noise helps remove unwanted background sounds such as hum, wind, or room noise. So let's enable that. Editing doesn't have to be complicated. In this audio clip that I recorded, there is not enough noises in the background because the room is quiet. But anyway, it will actually improve your audio and it will remove those background noise. It's good to turn it on. That's it for this video. In the next one, I will teach you the audio translator.